We got John Bob coming up next. Louisville's second most funny man. I'll go first.
It's great to be here. I'll do a quick set. I'm done. Have a good night. No, I'm not gonna be that fast.
That's what she said.
That's what she said. That's it. Thanks, I appreciate that. That was the greatest punchline I ever had. I'm gonna punch you in your eye for saying that. Man.
That's what she said.
Hey, this is great, man. It's great to be here. I'm just gonna ignore this guy because he's gonna keep talking. I'm just gonna act like that never was said. I'm gonna edit that from the video. Man, I want to do a quick set in front of nobody. Nobody can offend anybody because I know there's two people standing there and they'll get mad. What do you mean I ain't know? I know somebody. Yeah, you're somebody. You're somebody because somebody loves you. You know? Nobody loves me, so I'm nobody. Is that the way it goes? People say, you love somebody? Yeah, I love a whole lot of people, but they don't love me. Because I owe everybody money. When you owe people money, people do not like you. They don't. I got a brother that owes everybody in the city money. So that means he can never leave his house. You know, he just stays inside. Because if you walk outside the door and you owe everybody money, people standing there. You owe the police money. The dog be taking in his pocket, hey, you owe me some money. And you don't want to be like that with a dog, you know. If you owe a dog some money, you know you're going to get big. You know, at least some people you can talk to them, you know, reason with them. Oh, give me my car. The bill collectors are like that. Bill collectors, if you owe a bill collector money, they will not leave you alone. They will call you 24 hours a day. Doesn't matter. You say, man, what is these guys' work hours? All the time. Your phone, man, just keeps ringing and ringing, and you see that number on there, and you say, I'm going to ignore it. It doesn't matter. They'll call you at 4 a.m. So this better be serious. You keep calling my house. And I hate when I owe bill collectors money, because you can't talk to them. You know, you try to reason what's wrong. I'm just trying to save this for money. It doesn't matter. They're going to get their money. I had a bill collector do me like that once. He said, well, we can work with something out. I said, no, I can't pay you what you want me to pay you. So that's why just go ahead and see you check. I was like, oh, I probably can't pay you now. No, let me work this out. I don't want my money taken out of my check. Unless I choose to take my money out of my check. I don't want nobody to take my money out of my check. Thanks a lot, Mark. And, you know, and you hate that, man, because you work so hard, and you think about all the money that you make. You say, well, I make a whole lot of money. Then when Uncle Samuel, the guy, like I said, Uncle Samuel takes the rest of your money and his taxes and stuff. He said, oh, I hate Uncle Samuel. And Uncle Samuel, I've never seen Uncle Samuel. I don't know why I keep counting on my uncle. Because when I go to my family reunions, I've never seen that man with that hat and those stars and stripes. And if he comes to my family reunion, he's going to get laughed at and joked on. You know? Because people get drunk, man, at your family reunions, they talk about people. They say, oh, you use baked potatoes, man. They look like they've been fried, completely fried, you know? And Samuel, man, Uncle Samuel, he's something else. He really is. When did he become my uncle? I don't understand, you know? My mother's brothers, or, you know, whatever. And see, when you talk about, you know, stuff like that, the government and stuff, people get silly, man. Because you ever think about this, man, you know, like FBI, CIA, they can make you disappear. I've seen them make people disappear, man, from schools. I'm serious. You ever say, oh, you went to school with so-and-so? You sure you went with it? Yeah, I did. He's not in the yearbook. You won't be either. I was in the yearbook, no, you disappeared, you know? I ain't gonna take a picture of me. I don't want nobody to take my picture. I got a criminal record. I'm not supposed to be here right now. Actually, I got myself videotaped about committed a crime and trying to use this as an alibi. Oh, you robbed it, man. No, I didn't. I was upstairs. I was doing comedy. Yeah, he was doing comedy. He was doing a horrible job of doing comedy. And some more people come here, so they're going to tell me that I'm doing a bad job doing comedy. Yeah. I haven't received one laugh right at all. I know I'm doing horrible. I'm gonna laugh at myself. We're glad that people come in. Obviously, they come to see me. And I gotta get away from here because I gotta go over here and do horribly at this other place. And I'll be back later on to do horribly again. Have a good night.
Be right back, man.
You suck.